Hey everyone, a very warm welcome on our e-learning platform of Eduroom Scientific. We believe you all are fabulous and doing great. Today we will be discussing about top 15 research institute and universities in Delhi NCR region. This video and session will be very important for the people and for the students who are doing biotechnology, life sciences, and bioinformatics, either at the stage of graduations, masters, PhD, or maybe you are planning for applying to a academia job or research internship or postdoc. So these are few of the top 15 research institute and universities who are doing really great research in the applied and also in the basic biotechnology in biology sector. So we welcome you on our Eduhome Scientific platform. Prior to begin this session, I wanted to emphasize few points here. Like if you're planning to apply for any institute and research lab, there are few factors we as a student, we as a research scientist should be aware of. As a beginner, no one is guiding you these things, but the way institute, universities are taking your interview prior to your admission, in a similar fashion, it's our responsibility also to check the institute where we are applying. One thing is, it is based on our research interest. Suppose if I want to work on cancer biology, obviously I have to go and find the research labs who are working on those kind of research area. So one thing is based on my research interest, but the other thing is that whether that is having any prospect in my career path, in the upcoming my life path, in my career path, because obviously we are studying for gaining our bread and butter. So research interest and the prospect of that research area is very crucial. So plan accordingly, like subjects like cancer biology, virology, molecular biology, applied areas are crucial and having prospect. But in the similar time, our understanding about the basic biology is also crucial. So don't get confused that only applied or translational research is only significant area. If we decode the molecular mechanism at the basic level, those part of research is also very significant. So these will be very important part. We as a researcher, we as a student has to decide wisely on these topics. Few other things which we have to see where we are applying at the lab level and also at the institute and university level. Whether the labs which where we are applying is having sufficient fund to support our research projects and your training, whether they are publishing renowned journals, they are publishing significant amount of publication in renowned journals, because in a scientific community, this is also a significant part. So we have to choose wisely the labs where we are going to apply. What is the lab culture? Because ultimately, if you are going to perform a PhD, or in India, if we are doing a PhD from a renowned institute, it usually takes 5 to 6 years. So it's always wisely advised, just go and just do prior homework, discuss with the lab mates, the senior people, and get the idea. What is the lab culture? What is your supervisor nature? Because 4, 5, 6 years, not a small duration. If you're going for a small duration of training, still then because your purpose is for training purpose, that time it is fine. But those people who are going for PhD, I must advise them to take this very seriously, because this is very important sector, and most of the students miss this part and they go and join a wrong labs, and in middle of a PhD, many a time they have to leave the labs because of the conflict with sometimes with supervisor is having conflict with the student. So it's better do these kind of homework and research prior to the joining the lab. Now coming to which are the best places in terms of institute and in terms of university, especially in the Delhi NCR region, I'm saying. Okay. So I'm not making this list on the basis of India or global. Maybe in the upcoming videos, I will be explaining you all those things. I myself has 15-year research experience from India also, from abroad also. So I will be making all those videos in the upcoming time. This is not in the ranking order. It's just because I was born and brought up in Delhi. I did my research here. So I do have experience in the Delhi NCR region. So this videos, especially I am making for focusing in the Delhi NCR region. If you people are from here, it will be going to help you a lot. But those people who are not from here, still you people can join and apply for these positions for your training, for your research, for your PhD purpose. Okay, so I am sure everyone here know about Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU. So you can apply to the School of Life Sciences, that is SLS department. In JNU, we have multiple schools related to science sector, life sciences, nanotechnology, biotechnology. So you can apply to these institute. This is the URL. You can go and search the pages. So life science department, biotechnology department. Here you can wisely apply, and they have the advanced instrumental facilities also to support basic and advanced areas of research. The other very known universities and renowned university in India and in Delhi NCR is University of Delhi. So either you are in North Campus or South Campus, they are also supporting basic biology based research and applied area based research. So you can go and search these departments also and apply for positions based on your need at graduate, masters, and at PhD levels, and during or for postdoc positions also. The other very renowned institute is our IIT. So in IIT Delhi also, there are multiple departments who are supporting biological, computational biology, and biotechnology based research and areas. The other very important institute in Delhi NCR is National Institute of Immunology. In this period of COVID era, you know the significance of virology field and the microbiology and the viruses. And our INI Institute is really doing very great. Many research group here in the National Institute of Immunology are working at the virology level, microbiology level, cancer, and so on. So you can apply for here also. The other very renowned institute you all are aware of is All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Here also they have multiple departments in structure biology, physiology, biochemistry, biotechnology. So those people who are doing biotechnology or biology related research experiments and research, they can come and get the training and research experience from this renowned institute also. Nowadays, you know, it's a time of big data and omics, and genomics is playing a major role in this omic based personalized precision diagnostic and personalized medicine. So this Institute of Genomics and Integrated Biology in Delhi is also very famous and doing really great in genomic sectors. And those people who are interested in big data biology, genomics, omics, system biology can apply in this institute. The other very renowned institute is International Center of Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology. No doubt we are in an industrial revolution 4, and biotechnology is one of that technology in top 10 technologies. And in the current era of COVID-19, biotechnology is playing a major role in saving the planet. This ICGB center is a global center, and one branch of this is in Delhi. So those people who are planning to work on infectious diseases, virology, industrial biotechnology, medicinal biotechnology can apply to this ICGB. The other area and center related to biotechnology is your regional center for biotechnology. They are also doing a great work research related to applied biotechnology and translational research. So you can plan and apply here also. The other very important and very significant institute is your THSTI that is Translation Health Science and Technology. They are also very renowned with having and they are also supporting this startups and all. So those who are having interest in innovations and biotechnology, they can go and search this web page and try to apply to this institute. If you are interested in basic biology and botany, areas like that, then Indian Agriculture Research Institute is a premier institute of India. They are supporting PG research experience at graduation, master's, research, PhD level, and they conduct annual examinations and scholarships also. So I must advise the beginner students and especially the PE graduate and master to go and visit this site and apply wisely and timely. The other area which is very important in biotechnology is the malaria research, the Plasmodium research. And ICMR based a separate center is in Delhi, Dwarka sector. So you can apply to National Institute of Malaria Research if you are interested in infectious biology or parasite related research experience. Nowadays in India, you might be seeing that liver disorders are increasing every year. Hepatitis, jaundice, alcohol-related disorders in liver uh, is increasing day by day. So we have a separate renowned institute for that. That is ILDS in Delhi. So you can either apply there also. If you are from plant sector and you have interest in genomics, then we have National Institute of Plant Genome Research. You can apply there also. They are having a renowned labs with advanced facilities and it's near to GNU and NII only. If you are having interest in cancer biology, then I must say that you can apply to Noida ICMR, National Institute of Cancer and Prevention and Research. This is also ICMR based research institute. You might be, if you have a global research interest, you might be aware that neurological disorder and brain research is also very significant areas. So anyone is having research interest in neurological disorders, brain related diseases, for them, I must say that you must go and visit this website of National Brain Research Center and see the people who are working on projects like Alzheimer, Parkinson at molecular and therapeutic level. And wisely, you can apply for those positions and training. So from our side, this was the top 15 list of research institute. I might have missed few institute and university. I'm sorry about that. I would suggest if you have any additional informations, you must comment on the comment section. And I also request you people to kindly like, subscribe, and do share these informative videos among your scientific endeavor. Thank you so much.